The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bukhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors open now.
Come on, everybody. Green to the front, yellow to the back. Let's go. Who's ready to go? Yeah! Alright, listen up. Mike Green, we're gonna head to South Point. The left over, stay right there till goes in a minute. Mike Green, left over. Green, behind that shirt on the side. Green, behind that shirt on the side over here for me. Next Green, following down here.
High rating on the
You guys will
fuel
be
pressure
behind that shirt
line.
on the side. Next Green, following down.
That's better.
That is from on that corner
Check the
side.
binary motivator.
You have the green shirt. Green.
Yes.
Behind that
I
shirt on
just
the
want
side
to be
over
sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch! I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bukhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Control of the First Order. You will vacate this vessel and proceed your interrogation at once. Just follow them, that means leave. they have hand sanitizer. No, I'm good. Even the dark side has hand sanitizer.
Auxiliary troops, stand down. Prisoners in containment area.
This looks so authentic.
Am I in your unit? Here, follow them. You wait there. Somebody in this unit. Here on red. And somebody in this unit. On orange. Sympathizers, remember the color you have been assigned. Once inside, you'll maintain your distance. You do not need any conspiring. So what are these on your head? Aren't those ears? Why do you form? Why not? Because they look ridiculous. Guess that's why you got captured so easily. And you here? Where are you going on the transport?
I was going to Bakara?
To where?
I don't know, Bakara?
Bakara. What would you be doing on Bakara?
Chilling? Vacationing?
You want a vacation on Bakara. That's a
Okay.
pretty excuse for a planet, in my opinion. What about you? Where were you going on the transport? I don't know where you're going. Wearing this.
What?
Wearing this.
Yep.
You would stand out with those bright pink shorts.
Yes.
That's not a very good plan. I'm going to have to. Guessing you've never been there before.
Right. That's right.
Reflects the sun.
No, it doesn't. Makes her stand out, and she might be giving the sleeve to someone. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Your transmissions are obvious. No wonder you got captured. Go blue. Then red. Then silver. Then orange.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Oh, it's General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I'm with the resistance. I'm here to break you out. I need blue, then red, then silver, and orange. Seatbelt fasten, loose.
Wearing anything on your head, I suggest you will take it off. That thing must become permanent property of the First Order. However, Chris, this is R5 is a reprogrammed First Order droid. He is going to get you out of here and back to Baku safely.
Hi, R5.
I look forward to it.
And with you.
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo list. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
I don't have my child with me.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
You think I'll believe it?
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You have reached a detention block 3.
Your cover is blown. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on level D. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! These three pods just follow us. Take the lift down. We'll cover you. Hurry! No! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Oh boy. That guy got hurt in the head.
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. Destroy the back.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Oh boy.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on the bench. I know, Stafford's coffee.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Good job, R5.
What does Ariel like to put on her toast? Marmalade. Waka waka. Ooh, that one hurts a little bit.
Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on level D. There they are! Fire!
But it's awesome. Dad got a Donald mug. I've been looking for a Donald mug for a long time. I'm so happy.
going down, guys. We're going down. All right, back up, back up.
That was just a taste of some of the fun we have here on the Dad Got Parks channel. I've got outlet videos. I do What Did Dad Buy, where I show you what I bought at the outlets. We go to the parks. We have all kinds of fun with me, the family. Check out my videos if you'd enjoy them. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. I don't know. Give them a try.